How to reset TikTok FYP or the TikTok algorithm. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open TikTok application. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and inside Cache and Cellular, head over to Free Up Space. You have to clear the cache, so tap on Clear. Once again click on Clear. You can also clear the downloads, so tap on Clear. Once again tap on Clear. Once the cache and the download has been cleared, you can go back and head over to your For You page. In here you have to refresh your For You page. Once you refresh it, the TikTok FYP or the algorithm will be reset successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can reset TikTok For You page or TikTok algorithm. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.